Yeah, it's just that I've been having like a lot that is going on in my life, but I thank God, like I'm now fully back, and I'll be giving you content now back to back. But anyway, we thank God for this far, and I appreciate you here watching my video. Kindly make sure you leave a like and you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So in today's video, I'm just from work, and I thought like let me do huh? Here is my monthly shopping video. Yep.
Weka hiyo basi. Weka ine. Chukua fresh basi. Fresh. Chukua hiyo. Sawa. Weka tuende. Sifanyi kazi na amani. Hata kwa nikakuja tu kuchana.
Nisongeshe. Nisongeshe.
Ini niko alive.
a solution. Every night I lay awake, haunted by your memory, regretting all the things I said, wishing you were next to me. But now I'm all alone, surrounded by the silence. Can't escape this heartbreak. It's become my defiance. Oh, these heartbreak blues, they're tearing me apart. I'm drowning in the sea of pain, consumed by a broken heart. Oh, these heartbreak blues, they won't let me be. But I keep on singing, hoping one day you'll come back to me. Oh, my heart shattered into a million pieces. Can't you see the pain in my eyes? It never ceases. Lost in this world of love and confusion. I'm drowning in sadness, no hope of a solution. Every night I lay awake, haunted by your memory, regretting all the things I said, wishing you were next to me, but now I'm all alone.
Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing amazing. It's a wonderful evening. I'm just from work and I want to prepare dinner, and I want to show you some of the items that I got for my monthly shopping. Hope you watch my video till the end and don't forget to subscribe and to like and share. Welcome. I'm actually in a new space and I will consider doing a house tour very soon. So just stick around. So yeah. And then we have this tissue. Tissue what? Tissue premium. Tissue premium value pack. Yeah. That one got us for 1 month. And then here is a beef sausages. I'm the only person who eats this one in this house. Nobody else eats this one. They only say that they are made of chemicals. And then yeah, this one Fanta orange soda. I guess this is the only thing that we have. This one and this one for our fridge. Me, I don't know. For the fridge, those people who restock their fridge, I don't know what they keep inside. But for me, I guess I'll just have water, this Fanta, sausages, and maziwa mala. Only that. This maziwa mala, my all-time maziwa mala. But I decided to change. Hey, the other one was so expensive. I don't $2.50 for this 1 liter, and this one was going for $1.70. I prefer this one because it's just the same. It's all natural. Nothing, they have not added any sugar there, so I just prefer having it because of the affordability and water. This one got us for a whole month. Yep. Menengai soap, always the best soap. What else? Dollar, maize meal, yogurt for the baby. Also this for the baby. I guess there is these sausages. I guess they're just mine. This one for house help, this one for the baby, this one for me and hubby, this one for hubby. Yeah, everyone have like their favorite thing that they always take in the house. So yeah, more water, more Greek what? I don't know, mazwalala. And then sunlight omo. Yeah, this one got us for a whole month. Uji pure. I decided to try this one. I've never tried it. I always use the other one for color green. I don't know, familia or familia. I used that one, but I decided let me change to this pure Wimby. I don't know how it's the taste. Yeah. And here I got this one also. Can salt, bathing soaps. We had restock we had the stock like last week shopping, so this time around we did not have to get like a lot of things, but this one will push us for a whole month. More unga. We also got this for chapati. Yeah, and this one also, and our shopping is done. So what do you think about this shopping? This one will not even get us for a whole month, but I guess this one and this one, they're the one which we restock like almost every day, but the rest, nah. This one will go for a whole month. We don't take sugar, a lot of sugar. This unga for a whole month, this one for a whole month, and this one and this one, but also this one. And milk there, blender. Yep, and there we go. If you have stuck around for until this time, thank you so much, and don't forget to leave a like and comment. Yeah, thank you.